Hello, my name is Kobe Cross. I am a junior, and today we're making a roasted pork tenderloin with the apple sage au jus sauce. For ingredients, you'll need pre-brine pork tenderloins, a water and cornstarch slurry, oil, Granny Smith apples, white wine, apple cider, chicken broth, sage, salt, pepper, and sliced onions. For our first step, we're going over to the stove to sear our meat. First, we're gonna add oil. Now, we're going to add our pork tenderloins to our hot pan. When cooking this, we just want a nice golden brown on each side. We do not want to cook this all the way. As soon as we get done frying this, we're gonna make our pan sauce in this pan. And all those extra brown bits at the bottom, we want to scrape up and build flavor onto our sauce. Once all sides are golden brown, we're gonna move to a preheated oven at 375. We want to cook these for about 20 minutes or until it reaches an internal temp of 145. When placing in the convection oven, always put in the middle so it can have an even cook. In the same pan with our soups, add a little bit more oil. Add your onion. Caramelize for 1 to 2 minutes. Scrape these brown bits from the bottom of your pan. Once your onions are caramelized, add your Granny Smith apples. You want to sear these until golden brown. We don't want to make them soft. Those brown bits are now incorporated with your apples and onions. We're gonna add our white wine, some apple cider, and chicken stock. Now we're gonna let this reduce on a medium heat. We're gonna add our cornstarch slurry. This is equal parts water and cornstarch. And add sage, fresh sage. We're gonna season to taste with salt and pepper. Lastly, we're going to incorporate a little bit of butter just to give it a nice gloss. Now that everything is finished, only thing that's left to do is to plate and enjoy it. For the full ingredients and recipe, be sure to check out the description.